Big news! We've got word of an enemy officer who's ready to switch sides. Want to go find out what's going on?
All right, I'll get straight to the point. A sympathetic AAF officer has approached us, looking for a way out. He's been comfortable for many months, but the recent CSAT offensive, the bloody attack on Kavala, and the ongoing crackdown has proven to be the last straw. Now he and a few trusted comrades are ready to defect. As part of the deal, and before the enemy learns what's going on, we will use his position of authority to strike a blow against the very CSAT forces that decimated Kavala. We will meet with this officer, codename Orestes, and a few of his men at an abandoned farm to the north. We will then use his security clearance to set the trap. This is both a great risk and a great opportunity. Let us not waste it.
Omega, what's your status? Are you going to make it there on time? Over.
We're just south of the RV now. Minutes away. Don't worry. Over.
Good. Do not keep Orestes waiting. We can't afford to spook him now. Slingshot out.
Notice, Stavros seems really keen to have this traitor at our side.
Yeah, I guess. Having a greenback officer on hand must be an invaluable asset.
Perhaps, if we can trust him. What's Miller's take on Orestes?
No idea. Captain Miller hasn't once mentioned it since I last talked to him. But it's not like that means much.
What do you mean, American?
Come on, we're running late. Orestes? Coporal Kerry. I'm with the FIA.
Yes, Stavro told me to expect an American. But listen carefully, Corporal. I think we've been followed. As we turned onto this road, we spotted a CSAT vehicle a little way behind us. They must not discover us.
It's okay. We can fall back to the forest. We'll be gone before they get here.
Listen to me. We only have one shot at this. You must intercept them. They cannot find out we work together. Not yet.
Danger!
Fire!
meters, just up ahead.
Target neutralized!
Rifle, 75 meters, run.
Good work, Kerry. Now, let's get this done. CSET are well trained. They get suspicious very quickly. We can only pull off one strike. Let me know once you're in position. Good luck. Oh, and one more thing, Corporal. One of my men has an AT launcher. If you would consider it to be helpful, you're welcome to it. Out.
ArmA3, 100 meters, just up ahead. Contact, man.
Stay sharp! Get in that vehicle.
We'll go. Standing by. Standing by.
Move up.
Roger.
Disembark.
Roger.
Return to formation.
Understood.
Hold fire. Stealth. Form diamond.
I'm covering. Go!
Stop.
Copy that.
Fall back.
Copy that.
Stop.
Understood.
Fall back.
Solid copy.
Contact. Soldier, 200 meters. Front. Contact. Rifleman, 200 meters. Front.
Target acquired. Contact. Man, 200 meters, just up ahead. Contact. Soldier, 200 meters, just up ahead. Contact. Machine gunner, 200 meters, right up ahead. Contact. Rifleman, 200 meters, right up ahead. Contact. Machine gunner, 200 meters, just up ahead.
Weapons free. Target eliminated. Halt.
We'll go.
Stratis. We're in position. Call it in. Over.
Affirmative, Kerry. I'll keep this channel open. Griffin, this is Spartan Actual. My unit has made contact near Point Victory. We've secured the area, but need urgent support. Can you dispatch QRF to our position? Over.
Understood, Spartan Actual. Wake 1. Viper Green, این گریفینه. ما در نزدیکی نقطه ویکتور دچار مشکل هستیم. هایدرا رو سوار کن. دستورات بعدی رو در مسیر بهت میدیم. عجله کن. Spartan Actual, be advised. We are dispatching a chopper to your position. Call sign Hydra. Regroup and mark the Altis. Griffin out.
Stay sharp. Slingshot, this is Omega. The operation was a success. Orestes stood by his word. Over.
Copy that, Corporal. Well done today, soldier. I'm glad the lieutenant came to see the true evil in our homeland.
We have a common enemy, Commander Stratis. Let's not make it personal. Out.
Indeed. So, see you back at the camp, Omega, and keep your heads down. CSAT will not react kindly when they discover this deception. Slingshot out.
Get in that vehicle.
Solid talk. Waiting. Waiting.
Lieutenant? What are you doing here?
Just wanted to ensure our new friend makes it safely to the camp, that's all. We wouldn't want him to get lost on the way. Isn't that right, Orestes?
Just shut up and let's go. I told Miller I have no business with you, Brits.
Nah, of course not, El Capitano. All right, everyone, let's move.